20 cheap kitchen gadgets that actually work, ranked from 20 all the way down to number 1. Almost every single one is under $25. I sorted them into 4 quick sections, and every link is waiting in the description. Cheapest first. Stick around because number 1 quietly saves. Number 20. One adjustable measuring spoon that quietly you just slide it to any amount you need, from a tiny pinch of salt to a full tablespoon. It runs about $9 and frees up a whole drawer. Link is in the description. Number 19. A tiny herb stripper that pulls fresh leaves off the stem in seconds. If you cook with rosemary, kale, or thyme, this one is a quiet hero. You just pull the stem through a hole and every leaf falls off perfectly clean. No more picking them one by one. Only $6 and it lives in any drawer. Grab the link below. Number 18. A silicone clip-on strainer that ends spilled pasta water forever. It snaps right onto the rim of any pot you already own. You drain everything one-handed with zero mess, then it folds flat when you are done. No bulky colander to store or wash. Around $10 for something you will reach for every week. Link in the description. Number 17. A 15-second milk frother that turns plain milk into a real cafe drink. It is the cheapest upgrade your morning coffee will ever get. You dip it into a glass, watch the foam build, then pour it right over your cup. Latte texture without the machine. Under $12 and it charges or runs on a battery. Link is below. Number 16. An oil sprayer that ends soggy salads and greasy pans for good. One press gives you a fine, even mist instead of a heavy pour. You use about half the oil you normally would, with real control every time. Great for air fryers, salads, and around $15 for healthier cooking. Link in the description. Number 15. A set of magnetic spice jars that free your entire They snap onto the fridge in a neat grid with every label facing you. You stop knocking over bottles and finally see every spice at a glance. Bed wall space into smart storage. A full set runs under $30. Grab the link below. Now the space and organization picks for anyone fighting a tiny kitchen. Number 14. A pull-string vegetable chopper that dices onions without a single tear. One quick pull and everything drops into perfect little cube. You get even prep in seconds, and cleanup is just one quick rinse. Knife skills no longer matter. About $15 and it saves you real time every night. Link in the description. Number 13. A handheld spiralizer for pasta night without the carbs. Pasta zucchini and long green ribbons come tumbling out. You get a full bowl of veggie noodles in about 10 seconds flat. It is small enough to hide in any drawer. Under $15 for a healthier pasta night. Link is below. Number 12. A $20 portable blender that lives right in your gym bag. Drop in fruit, press once, and sip your smoothie straight from the bottle. It charges by USB, so you can blend at the office, the gym, or a hotel room. No outlet and no cleanup crew needed. Around $20 for smoothies anywhere. Link in the description. Number 11. A set of clear stackable pantry bins that make any shelf look organized. Everything gets a home, and you finally see what you actually have. You stop buying duplicates, and snacks stop vanishing into the back of the shelf. It is the fastest way to fake a high-end pantry. A set runs about $25. Grab the link below. Number 10. An under-shelf hanging basket rack that doubles your cabinets instantly. It just slides onto a shelf you already have. You reclaim all that wasted air above your plates and mugs. No tools, no drilling, no damage. Around $14 each. Link is in the description. These next 5 are the Prep Like a Pro tools that make cooking feel effortless. Number 9. A collapsible silicone colander that flattens down to almost nothing. It gives you a full-size strainer that stores like a plate. You rinse produce or drain pasta, then squeeze it flat and tuck it away. Small kitchens and tight drawers. About $12, and it lasts for years. Link below. Number 8. A slim digital kitchen scale that makes baking foolproof. It reads in grams or ounces the second you set a bowl on. You get bakery-level accuracy and can even weigh coffee for the perfect cup. It wipes clean and stores flat. Only about $13. Link is in the description. Number 7. A rubber jar and bottle opener. Grip that ends the struggle with stuck lids. It gives you an unbreakable hold on anything. You pop tight jars open in one easy twist, no running water or banging required. It is a quiet lifesaver for anyone with weaker grip. Just $8 for a whole set. Grab the link below. Number 6. A set of silicone stretch lids that replace every roll of plastic. One set fits bowls, cups, and even cut fruit. You stretch them over anything to seal it airtight, then wash and reuse them. It pays for itself in a month. Around $10 for a full set, link in the description. Number 5. A garlic rocker that minces a clove in one quick press. Sticky fingers and no fiddly little press to scrub out. You just roll it back and forth and perfect mince falls right out. It quickens under the tap. About $12 for faster cooking every night, link is below. And now the top 5, the gadgets I would buy again in a heartbeat. Number 4, an over-the-sink cutting board that turns your sink into extra counter space. It has a built-in colander that drops scraps straight into the drain. You prep, rinse, and toss trash without ever crossing the kitchen. A small kitchen, it is like adding a second countertop. Around $26 and worth every cent. Link in the description. Number 3, a salad spinner that finally makes greens crisp instead of soggy. A few pumps and it flings every drop of water off your leaves. Dry greens hold dressing far better, so salads actually taste like a restaurant made them. The bowl doubles as servingware. About $20 for crisp salads every time. Grab the link below. Number 2, a pair of heavy-duty kitchen shears that quietly replace half your gadgets. They spatchcock chicken, snip herbs, and open every stubborn package. The blades come apart for a real cleaning, so they stay sharp and hygienic. Once you keep a pair on the counter, you use them daily. Around $15 for the hardest working tool in the drawer. Link in the description. Number 1, the $10 instant read thermometer that saves dinner every single night. 2 seconds gives you the exact temperature, so meat is never dry again. You pull chicken, steak, and pork at the perfect moment every time with total confidence. It is the one gadget I would never cook without. Just $10? And it is the smartest small buy in this whole list. Link is in the description. That is the full list. 20 gadgets that actually earn their spot on your counter. Every single link is waiting in the description, sorted from 20 down to 1. Tell me in the comments which one you are grabbing first, and if this saved you some money, hit subscribe for a new roundup every week. I will see you in the next one.